Hello, defense aspirants. I am Swati Sheth, a two times recommended candidate for the NCC special entry as well as the JAG entry from Team Alpha Lead Academy. In this video, we will be telling you how to make your lecturate simpler by explaining each topic and how to put it forward in your actual SSB lecturate. As discussed in one of the previous videos, we always follow the standard format of the lecturate that includes the introduction and the historical background, later followed by the body of the lecturate, then comes the advantages and disadvantages and the current scenario, followed with the conclusion. And our topic for today's video will be the Jal Jeevan mission. Now, the best way to explain any topic or introduce it will be to break down its name. Now, in this situation, Jal means water, Jeevan means life, and mission. Now, this entire thing tells that it is a mission to provide water to everyone because water is one of the most important lifeline for any individual. Now, coming to the introduction part, you can mention when it was launched, that is August 15, 2019, by the current Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji. Now, with the goal of providing functional household tap connection to every rural home. Now, the goal becomes a very important part for these kinds of topic. Then comes the benchmark where it aims to produce 55 liters of potable water per person every day. Whenever the government comes up with such scheme, it always has a goal, a mission, a benchmark and milestone. Now the milestone for this Jal Jeevan mission is that March 2026 the cabinet approved the Jal Jeevan mission 2.0, which extends the mission deadline to December 2028 to ensure 100% saturation. Then comes the current achievement. As of March 2026, the coverage has jumped from 17% in 2029 to 81.7%. This is the ideal format of introduction when you choose to speak about any scheme. After the introduction, in case of schemes, you speak about the impact and the empowerment of that particular scheme. Now, in this case, the main motto was Har Ghar Jal. Now, here you can mention the names and number of states which have already achieved 100% tap connectivity. That is Goa, Gujarat, Haryana, Telangana, Himachal Pradesh, and many more. Then comes the women empowerment. This mission, that is the Jal Jeevan mission, has freed approximately 9 crore women from the daily drudgery of fetching water, allowing them more time for education and livelihoods. Then comes the public health. Now, this shows the overall view of the mission. Now, the research shows a potential 30% reduction in under 5 mortality due to access to safe drinking water, saving nearly 1.36 lakh lives annually. Then you can mention something about the Jan Bhagidari, that is people's participation. Now, as per the Jal Jeevan mission, at least 50% of the members of the Pani Samitis must be women, giving them a lead role in water governance. Now, this way, in the body, you came up with facts, figures, some kind of statistics and data. Later in the body, you include the advantages and disadvantages or the advantages and challenges faced by this mission. Now let's speak about the modern challenges faced by the Jal Jeevan Mission 2.0. Now the first one here would be from infrastructure to service. Now this Jal Jeevan Mission 2.0, which was launched in March 2026, shifts the focus from laying pipes to assured service delivery and long-term sustainability. Then comes the Sujalam Bharat framework. This is a new national digital framework that assigns a unique Sujal Gaon ID to every village to map the water system from source to tap. Then speaking about the critical challenges, the first one is the source sustainability. We have to ensure that groundwater levels do not deplete. This again is in integration with the Atal Bhujal Yojana. When you mention about another mission, giving an example in your current lecturate, it shows about your knowledge about the government schemes. That is why give examples of other mission while choosing topics such as these. Then comes the water quality. Now, addressing the geogenic contamination in difficult terrains is also one of the very big challenges. Then comes the operation and maintenance. Now, shifting the responsibility of upkeeping to the community to user charges. That is the Nal Jal Mitra program. Once you are done speaking about the introduction, Then the body of the lecturate, which covers the advantages, disadvantages, and challenges. Then you slowly move towards the conclusion. And in conclusion, you have to answer the questions which you raised in the previous part of your lecturate and come up with a solution to that, and also give your personalized opinion. Now, in conclusion, you can mention that what is the strategic goal. Now, the JJM, that is Jal Jeevan Mission, is a cornerstone of Viksit Bharat, the 2047 vision, ensuring that basic dignity, that is, water is a right and not a privilege. Then comes the 3 point roadmap. First one here is the grey water management. Reusing 70 to 80% of wastewater for kitchen gardens and agriculture. This can be one good solution for water management. Then comes the solar integration, using solar powered pumps to reduce electricity costs for villages, because mission like this should be a boon and not a bane. Then the Jal Utsav, the new annual community led maintenance review event, which was started in 2026 to celebrate water security and also spread the awareness and importance of water. Then you can end your lecturate with a closing statement. In this case, we can mention that the Jal Jeevan mission is not just about pipes and taps. It is about changing the destiny of rural India by providing health, dignity, and time. So, defense aspirants, I hope this video was helpful for you to know how to arrange your thought process in the given time for topics such as the government missions and schemes. All the best. Jai Hind.